To remove and install the key switch on your Ranger XP Kinetic, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park, and remove the key. Next, remove the 2 push-pin rivets from the front of the instrument cluster. Then, slide the cluster toward the rear of the vehicle to disengage the retention tabs, and carefully set the cluster on the console. Next, hold the key switch from behind the console and carefully remove the switch nut. Then, push the switch back through the hole in the console and pivot out to gain access to the connector. Continue by lifting the tab on the connector and pulling back to disconnect from the key switch. A flathead screwdriver can be used to aid in releasing the connector tab. Before continuing, ensure the seal on the connector is not damaged and is fully seated. Next, connect the connector to the key switch and ensure it is fully seated. Then, align the notch above the switch with the notch in the console. Continue by reinstalling the key switch through the console and securing with the retained nut. Then, tighten the nut until fully seated. Next, insert the instrument cluster retention tabs into the lower portion of the console. Then, push the cluster forward until it is fully seated. Continue by aligning the mounting holes and reinstalling the 2 push-pin rivets. Finally, turn the vehicle on and verify proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.